of movies with Sony Pictures. So all the James Bond and Spider-Man and all, I have marketed and distributed. So that is why Lingam Garu said, I was involved in promotion because I'm saying, what is this? You have to promote. So, but I thank Lingam Garu so much because the print is very nice and it is done. But I hope you will enjoy it. So, one more question?
Yes, filmmaking difference in
actually, Upendra filmmaking is very futuristic. Yeah. Even today, this is looking like fresh. And it was a reverse screenplay. It was a big hit in Japan. Across, even today in Hindi, many people wanted to remake it. So I feel that technically, yes, we have grown. You will see in UI now he's going to do something fantastic. But Upendra is a director that we can be proud of in India. It's not only for the South. I think he has to be a national director for sure. So
everyone says he's an Indian Christopher Nolan.
Yeah, something there is, because at that age he was, in fact, Sum Sumne's song, I did all the costume because he was so involved in shooting. He didn't care about himself that I am the hero. So it was a fantastic experience. To answer your question, they were all wonderful. I have acted in Kannada, Tamil, Telugu also I have done. Gujarati, I got the state award from a 16-year-old girl to a 60-year-old woman. Bhojpuri, the biggest hit, Ganga Jason Maya Hamar with Ravi Kishan. Just like this, it was a big hit there. And Ravi Kishan's first film became a superstar. So my experience has been wonderful in the industry.
One more question. So, fight sequence in the movie, and that's a very tough.
The fire one?
Yeah, fight sequence. So,
it was very tough. It was very tough because they tied me. I am inside. The camera and a whole unit is outside. And also I had long hair and all of this. So, in between, I asked Upendra. So, I told my assistant, bring some water and keep everyone outside, and I'm alone tied up, and they put all this thing on the fire. Put the fire and all are running with the out. I am alone. So I was a bit scared, I have to tell. So I told my assistant, bring water and bring blanket. So Upendra got very angry. What do you think, Anshala? We will leave you there. Then I told him, sir, in the dialogue you saw, no? He said in the dialogue, everybody will find their own thing. And he was okay, but I was very scared. And after shooting last scene, he burnt that house. Somehow when I was going in the car, because 3 months I shot, 3 to 4 months fully, I felt sad. I felt sad because I had been so much in the character. I felt sad when I was leaving, I felt sad for that movie, but it's a beautiful. Then immediately from the shooting, I went back to studies. So nobody knows Chandani, where has she gone? Nobody knew. Only an AK-47 release, Muharat, first time they saw. So this is my story of it. So, yeah. Any other question or?
A is my first film. Namma modala film. And the time promotions I could not come, but now Malli re-release thanks to Lingam Garu, I have come back, and the film is now good. I'm very happy to meet all of you.
మాతో మీ వ్యాపారాన్ని పెంచుకోండి. అన్ని రకాల వ్యాపార ప్రకటనలు మా IoT ప్లాట్ఫారంలో వేస్తాం. అతి తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో మీ వ్యాపారం నిమాతో ముందుకు తీసుకువెరతాం. అన్నింటిలో మీ వ్యాపారం ప్రచారం చేస్తాం. మీ వ్యాపారం మా ప్రచారం.
మీ వ్యాపార ప్రకటనల కోసం ఈ నంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి.